Hello students, hope you people are doing well. Now, as I have told you people that we are going to start with the basic thing regarding your maths 2. Let me tell you about the paper pattern. You all have to see the paper pattern. First of all, as you people are aware that mathematics part 2 is of 40 marks written paper will be there and 10 marks will be given for the internal assessment. Now let me start with the paper pattern. Paper pattern is what? Actually the total paper will be of 60 marks, as you can see. Can you see here? 60 marks paper. So total paper with option. Can you see here? Marks with option. So marks with option is of 60 marks and you have to attempt only 40 marks paper. That means, as you people are aware that there will be 2 hours paper. So first of all, let me tell you how many hours? 2 hours paper you people be having. 2 hours means how many minutes? It will be 120 minutes, right? So 120 minutes. My suggestion is that try to solve full 60 marks paper in 120 minutes. So 1 mark question, how many minutes? 2 minutes, right? So 1 marks question has to be solved within 2 minutes because you have to draw the diagram as well as you have to draw the lines as well as you have to fill the detail about your supplements which you people are taking, and even you have to stick the holocraft also. So my suggestion is that try to solve 60 marks paper within 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Now let's start with the question number 1. You can see question number 1 is compulsory because here in the marks column you can see it is 4. Marks with option is also 4. That means this question number 1, A and B, these 2 questions are compulsory. This 1 marks each and this is 1 mark each. So these 2 questions are compulsory and you can get out of this as 8 marks. Now come to question number 2A. Complete 2 activities out of 3. 2 marks each. So here there will be 3 activities and between these 3 you have to do only 2 activities. So try to solve all the 3 activities because activity questions are very easy to solve. Now come to question number B. Solve 4 out of 5 sub question. Here also you will be having total 5 questions. Of each question will be of 2 marks. So try to solve all the question. Suppose if one of the question you will not be able to do that question, then it can be replaced with the correct one, because according to the board paper pattern correction, the child who is doing all the 5 question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 question, then suppose if he has done question number 1 correctly, question number 2 also he is getting 2 marks, but question number 3, suppose because of some mistake he is getting 1 mark, and in question number 4 suppose the child has done correctly, 2 marks. Question number 5 also 2 marks, then this 2, this 2, this 2 and this 2 will be calculated and this will be marked as extra. So you will get the advantage of this. So my suggestion, students, if you are getting the correct answer for all the 5 questions, try to solve all the 5 questions by yourself. Now come to question number 3. Can you all see here? Solve activity based 1 out of 2 sub question, 3 marks each. So here you have to solve only one activity out of two. Two activities will be there. That is why with option the mark is coming as 6. But you have to solve only one. Here also my suggestion is that try to solve both the activities so that you can, if one of the activity question goes wrong, then you will get the correct one as full mark. Now, question number 3b. Solve 2 out of 4 sub-question, 3 marks each. Here, 4 sub-question will be there and you have to solve only 2. Try to solve 3 questions. Suppose if one of the question goes wrong, then again you will get the advantage of that. So here also same thing. Now, my suggestion, the students, those who want to score only passing marks because they are unable to solve all the lessons, like circle topic is there, mensuration is there, some of the students are unable to understand the circle topic. In that case, you can attempt question number 1, 2 and 3 and you can get the passing marks easily. Now come to question number 4. Here one question is of 4 mark, that will be either from lesson number 3 and lesson number 4, that is construction part. So what you will do, solve 2 out of 3 sub question. Here so you have to solve 2 questions which is of 8 marks. Now question number 5, solve 1 out of 2 sub question. Here you have to solve only 1 question. So students, those who are having issues regarding mathematics, but let me tell you all that it is very easy for you all to pass mathematics exam. That is in SSC board, it is very easy for you all because in SSC board block marking is not allowed. Here we are using step wise marking. If your steps are correct, you will get the marks. So here it is very easy for you all to pass in your exam. Now in the next session, I will discuss about lesson number 1, that is similarity, which questions are important, which will come in your, which will come for 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark for the next time.